Welcome back to Lemon Kun, your go-to channel for delicious recipes from around the world. Today we are exploring a beloved dish, Chicken Makhni or butter chicken, known for its rich flavors and aromatic spices. Let's kick things off with marinating our boneless chicken cubes. Mix them with lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, cumin powder, hung yogurt and oil. Marinate for at least an hour or maximum flavor, let it set overnight. While the chicken is soaking up those flavors, let's work on the gravy. Heat some oil in a pan, add sliced onion, cashews, it's optional, garlic cloves, sliced tomatoes, green chili, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Cook until the tomato gets soft. Once done, let it cool down and blend it with half a cup of water. Here's a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Ring the bell to get amazing recipes for you. Now let's cook our marinated chicken until it gets tender. Once the chicken releases its water, crank up the heat to reduce it until the oil separates. And here's the secret touch: achieve the irresistible smoky flavors by briefly exposing the dish to the aromatic smoke of charcoal. Moving to the final steps, heat some oil and butter in a pan, add cumin seeds, the blended paste, and the cooked chicken. Let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Then turn off the flame and add cream, garam masala powder, and roasted dried fenugreek leaves. And there you have it, a tantalizing chicken makhni ready to be served. Garnish with cream and dried fenugreek leaves and serve with naan or rice for the ultimate experience. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Until next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.